Here's one of those flowers at the top of the plant. You can clearly see that it's misshapen. It's not normal. And in fact, there's little brown spots both on the petals, and there are brown anther sacs there where the pollen is produced. Oh my goodness, and I can see why. Where is he? There is our little bad guy. He has just had a smorgasbord there to feed on. Again, further evidence that they prefer squares and flowers to feeding on bowls. And that's what this one and others have done to ruin this flower. So even if there was enough time, water, crop protection, calendar, heat units, this flower will not pollinate and produce a productive bowl.